We're told the students in Mr. Diego's class explored different art mediums. Afterwards, they shared which art medium was their favorite. So here it says favorite art medium, so that's the title of this bar graph here. And they give us the different mediums. Is it media or mediums? Well, they tell us the different mediums that they're using to construct the art. A medium is just what type of material are you using to produce that art. So painting, you're using paint. Drawing, you're using pencil and paper. Sculpting, some type of clay. Collage, you're cutting things up and you're gluing it together in a mixed way. And then on the vertical, going up and down here, we see the number of students. So each of these lines right over here, we increase by 1. So the scale, sometimes you'll hear that word is 1. You'll definitely see other graphs where every time you go up by a line, you're actually going by 2 or 4 or some other number. So it's very important to keep track of that. But now let's look at the question. Which questions can be answered using the scale of this graph? All right, and they tell us to pick 2 answers. So why don't you read these and pause the video and try to answer this before I do it with you. Okay, let's do it together. So let's see if this one is something we can answer. How many students chose collage as their favorite art medium? Well, we can see very clearly if we look at the art medium collage that exactly 7 students chose that art medium. So I can definitely answer that question. Why do students like drawing the most? Well, this doesn't tell me anything about why students like drawing. They just say which art medium they liked or is their favorite, and drawing does seem to be the one that the most students wanted to use, but it doesn't say why they like them. So I'm just going to rule this one out. I'm guessing I'm going to pick this one because I need to pick 2, but let me see. How many more students chose painting than sculpting? Well, we can see that. Painting has 8 students, sculpting has 6 students, and the difference over here, this is 2 between painting and sculpting. So we can definitely answer that as well.